Welcome to the Green Stock News Brief for Wednesday, October 1st. Here are today's top headlines. Canadian Solar's e-Storage has signed agreements in Ontario to deliver 420 megawatt, 2,122 megawatt-hours of new battery storage capacity. These projects rank among the largest in the province, strengthening Ontario's position in large-scale energy storage and advancing collaborations across North America. Wallbox's 180-kilowatt Supernova DC fast chargers will be installed across up to 24 sites in Alberta and British Columbia as part of a new public EV charging network. Supported by over $5 million in federal and provincial funding, the project will expand Western Canada's fast-charging infrastructure with scalable, high-power solutions for long-distance travel. SunHydrogen has announced that GTI Energy will provide safety review and integration support for its hydrogen production pilot at the Hydrogen ProtoHub. The 6-month project will deploy 16 solar-to-hydrogen reactors in a scalable array, marking SunHydrogen's first outdoor multi-panel system and generating key data to advance commercialization and larger deployments. Massimo Group has launched its 2026 MVR Golf Cart, the first electric cart in their class with standard heating and air conditioning. Designed for year-round comfort and efficiency, the carts feature a 5-kilowatt motor, 48-volt batteries, a 45-mile range, with a top speed of 25 miles per hour.
Thanks for watching Greenstock News. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see daily Greenstock News videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.